Hello, hello, hello guys, mga kakabsat, kaibigan, katangay, kabesyo dyan. Ito na naman po ang inyong lingkod, Sarangheyo 14, it's my life. I'm gonna share you a Brewing Tools coffee maker. Iba't iba pong brewing tools kung saan po gumagawa ng fresh na kape. Lahat po na gagawing coffee ay manual, means hindi siya electric. Chemex! B60 Siphon, pero press. Using grounded coffee o sariwang kape without electric. French press. Mocha pot, traditional Italian style. Stovetop compact machine you can use mostly in camping. Located in iCoffee Dera City Center, Dubai Mall, Al Sahia, Sharjah. Mga coffee lover dyan, check it! Thank you guys sa patuloy na pagtangkilik at pagsubaybay sa aking channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comments. This is Sarangheyo 14. It's my life.